Looking to buy an IPTV box near you? You're in the right place. First, check your local electronics stores. Places like Best Buy or Walmart often have a variety of IPTV boxes available. Next, consider specialized shops like CaroStream if you're in areas like Brampton or Mississauga. They focus solely on IPTV services and equipment. Don't forget to compare prices both in-store and online to snag the best deal. Additionally, be wary of cheap options. Ensure you're choosing a box with good reviews and reliable software. Lastly, after purchasing, set it up with a trusted IPTV service for the ultimate streaming experience. Explore more at 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider. Let's dive in.